Gentlemen, today I'm going to talk to you about a subject that not a lot of guys talk about or like to talk about, but for many it is an essential part of their daily grooming routine. We're going to talk about eyebrows and how to get them just right under 1 minute. And I'm not talking here about perfect eyebrows, because perfect eyebrows, let's face it, they really look fake, especially on guys. So we're gonna talk about eyebrows that actually complement your overall look and appearance and that look completely or perfectly natural. You know, the truth is that things change a lot. When I was kind of a younger, my grooming routine consisted of brushing my teeth and maybe I would put a gel in my hair. But that has changed a lot. I mean, we have more products available to us. We're spending a lot of time in front of the screens on Zoom calls where our faces are getting completely magnified. So we have to pay attention to, to the whole package. You gotta pay attention to your beard, you gotta pay attention to your teeth, your hair, and your eyebrows. So if your eyebrows look like this guy, or this guy, I will show you the quick fix that anyone can do from anywhere and anytime. So today I'm gonna actually use Volt Instant Beard Color, which is the product right here, and I'm gonna use it on my eyebrows. This is a phenomenal product because you can also use it on your beard and sideburns to complete the look. What's really cool about Volt is that you can use it also on your skin underneath the hair. So if you have kind of a patchy eyebrows or patchy beard or thin beard or eyebrows, you can apply it a little bit underneath on the skin, underneath the hair, and it's gonna give it a fuller appearance. I will be using a shade called Mud because this is the shade that I've been using in my beard, and I want my eyebrows to match to my beard. My eyebrows are pretty light. I don't have a whole lot of hair in my eyebrows, and they're starting to, I'm starting to see some gray here and there. So what I'm gonna do in this demo is I'm gonna show you how I can darken up my eyebrows a little bit and give them a little bit more volume. Alright, it's application time. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get closer to the camera first of all and stop talking. I'm gonna do actually voiceover explaining what I'm doing. But essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the color starting in the middle. I'm gonna do very light coats. You don't wanna go too dark, and you wanna work your way out to the sides in the direction of the eyebrows. I'm going to start by shaking this bottle really well because I want these pigments and the resins and everything that's inside of this bottle to disperse evenly. If you don't do that, you might be applying just the pigment or just the resins, and the color is gonna start coming off a lot sooner, or you're gonna feel like, oh, this thing doesn't cover. So shake it really well. So when applying Volt on your eyebrows, start in the middle and slowly work your way out. Apply it in the direction of your hair, and make sure you really apply light coats. And to do that, what you can do is to wipe out the excess of the paint on your brush on the side neck of the bottle. That helps a lot, because when you pull out the brush, you're gonna have quite a bit of a color trap in those bristles, and you want to kind of wipe them out, which will allow you to do those light coats. Always kind of pause and look at your eyebrows to make sure that it's looking right. You don't have too much of it or too little. You don't want to make it look completely even because that looks fake. So always pause for a little while, look at it, and you can always apply more. Also, Volt dries right away, so it's really important because it's not gonna smudge or transfer on your clothes or on your hands, and it's gonna give you about 24 to 48 hours of water-resistant color. Alright, here we go. So this is it. The eyebrows are done. I actually went a little bit darker than I originally planned, and that's okay because as I was doing it, I was looking at my hair, and my hair was darker than my beard, and so I wanted to match it to my hair because my eyebrows are closer to my hair. And that's the great thing about Volt. You can actually control the opacity and do it the way you like it. You can go lighter, you can go darker, you can go a little bit more translucent. It is completely up to you. Please leave me a feedback. I love feedback. I learn from you. And stay tuned, subscribe to our channel because we're gonna be releasing more videos, not only about grooming, but we plan on releasing videos about adventure, fitness, and all that fun stuff that boys like to do.